In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wistia logo from your video by updating your branding settings. Before you begin, make sure your account is already on a paid plan. This is important because logo removal is typically a paid feature, so if you're still using a free plan, the branding option you need may not be available yet. Once that's taken care of, you can move straight into the video settings. Start by opening the video where you want to remove the logo. Go to your video library or dashboard, find the correct video, and click to open it. Make sure you've selected the exact video you want to update, especially if you manage multiple uploads, since branding settings are often applied at the video level. Once the video is open, look for the Customize section. This is where you can adjust the appearance and viewing experience for your video. Click into Customize and then find the branding area. Depending on the current layout of the platform, this may appear as a tab, a menu item, or a section within the customization panel, but the key thing you're looking for is the branding controls for that specific video. Inside branding, find the Wistia logo setting. If the logo is currently enabled, switch it off. This action removes the Wistia branding from the video player so your content appears cleaner and more aligned with your own brand. This can be especially useful if you're embedding the video on a business website, landing page, course platform, or client-facing page where you want a more polished and professional presentation. After turning the Wistia logo off, save your changes. Don't skip this part, because if you navigate away without saving, the setting may revert and the logo could remain visible. Once saved, it's a good idea to preview the video and confirm that the update has been applied successfully. If you still see the logo after saving, give the page a quick refresh or reopen the video player to verify the latest version of the settings. In some cases, embedded videos may also take a moment to reflect recent changes. That's all it takes. Upgrade to a paid plan first, open your video, go to Customize, enter branding, turn the Wistia logo off, and save. With just a few clicks, you can give your video player a cleaner, more branded look.